Welcome back. Now that you know the basics, let's take Vim to the next level. In this video, we will go through real-world editing challenges using Vim, from multi-line editing to macros and splits. Let's jump in. Let's start by creating a file named report. But I have already created a report file for me, so I have entered some data in it, but I will show you my file. Now, when you enter enough in your file, you will see a blank file in your system. So, if you want to insert anything in your file, you press small I for inserting a new data. For example, I want to insert a data like this: information server started. And then I want to save and quit. So I will enter the command WQ. So my file is now been saved. So I have a file named report. Now let us try some bulk editing in our report file. So I will once again open my file. So for bulk editing, we type colon percentage sign now and S. Now I want to replace all my info text to help text, for example. So what I will do is backslash info, and I want to replace that info to help and backslash G. So you will now notice that the info text here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all those texts will be replaced by help. This is how we can edit all the information. Now, if I want to show line numbers, we type colon set number. This will be showing the line numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines. This will numbered as 1 to 9 for all the lines. Now you can notice that we have inserted line numbers. Now, let us try some navigation shortcuts. So, by using the small gg command, we can go to the start. You can notice that our cursor is right here now. If we use the capital G command, we can go to the end. You can notice that now my cursor was on the first line before, has now come to the last line. For searching any word, we use slash and the word which we want to search. So for example, backslash, and I want to search the word help. You can notice that we have help on the top, which says here continuing at the top. Now we can press N for the next match. You can see my cursor is moving from one help to other help. If I want to move to the previous match, I need to enter the small n. You can notice that previously, wherever it has matched my help word, the cursor is moving to that word now. This is how we can use some navigation shortcut. Visual block mode. Open your setting.config. Press Ctrl plus V to enter visual block. Use arrow keys to select the lines. Press L, type hashtag and press escape. This will command all the selected lines. Now, for example, I am right now in my report file and I want to work with two files side by side. I use the split files command, which is colon VSP and my colon VSP and my other file name is test file.txt and enter, you can notice that my both files are here side by side. Now my cursor is in my report file right now. If I want to switch my cursor from this file to the other file, I use the command Ctrl plus W. Now you can notice that I am in the report file right now. If I want to switch my file now, I need to enter. Now you can notice that I am right now in this file. Now, for example, I am in my report file and I want to start the recording into the register A. I will type the command QA, which you can notice that the recording has been started and it's been in register A. Now, from moving to the line, I can type capital A, which says it's inserting into a new line. For stopping the recording, I use small q command for stopping the recording. You can see now that my recording has been stopped. Now, to play it on other lines, we used @A command. Now you can see that Q was been recorded and now Q is written automatically. We use double @ symbol to play the recording twice so you can notice that two Qs are automatically appended. Awesome work! This tricks will make you 10% faster in Vim. Practice a little every day and Vim will become second nature. Hit like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comment. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you.